Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. Techfox. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache of any app on your Android phone. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the Settings app on your Android device. You can normally open it by exploring all of the apps on this list, or you can normally choose it by swiping down the notification bar and then choosing this gear icon. So I'm gonna choose the settings option from here, and then you will see an interface of settings here, and now we have to find an option apps. So normally choose it and then choose app management or all apps, and here you will see all of the apps that you have installed on your phone. So now I want to clear cache for an app, for example this Daraj. So normally open it, and then normally you have to choose this storage usage, and then here you will get an option clear cache. Just normally click on it, and that's it. We have successfully cleared cache of that app. So that's pretty cool, pretty simple. I'll show you another tutorial, and that is if you hold down the app, you will get another option so just normally click on this I icon. Here you will get an option storage and usage, the same option like before. Just normally click on it and then choose clear cache. That's it. Now you know how to clear cache on Android app. That's all about today's video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.